Launch your browser and navigate to the official Oracle website. The link to the website is provided in the video description. The standard version of the Java Development Kit JDK is available for Linux, Windows, and macOS. In this tutorial, we will download the Windows version. After the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation process. Start by searching for Python. Download a stable version in your browser. Navigate to the official Python website where various versions are available in the download section. Python is essential for many applications to function properly. For example, the ESP-IDF software requires Python to work with Eclipse. However, ESP-IDF version 5.3 is not compatible with Python 3.13. Therefore, we will download an older version of Python, especially version 3.11.7. This version is available for both Windows and macOS. When we process with the 64-bit Windows version, download the installer and open the file. During installation, pay attention to the following. Make sure to check the Add Python to Path option. Number 2, leave the installation directory set to default path. We don't make any changes. Click Install Now to begin the installation. When the installation is complete, a window saying Setup was successful. Finally, click the Close button to finish the process.